family, I'm happy to help them. Grandpa, let me wipe your sweat.
Thank you, dear.
Grandpa, please take a rest and have some water.
Could you please help me take care of the potted plants, dear?
Help Grandpa place the potted plants on the shelf. Remember to water the plants. Grandpa also raised many chicks. Let's check them out. Let's feed the chicks. The chicks are sleepy. Let's put them in the chicken coop.
You are the best, my sweet. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too, Grandpa. Let's help more family members. The litter box is so dirty. Clean it up. Give Doggy a bath. Kitty and Doggy are both hungry. Feed them some food. I love you, cute Kitty and Doggy. Let's help more family members. Don't cry, my little sister. I'll keep you company. Let's wipe your tears first. Comb little sister's hair. Let's play together. Let's share this apple, sister. Half for me and half for you. Let's share the cookies, too. There are so many pretty stickers. Which one do you like? Let's play puzzles together, brother. Me. Next, let's set up the dining table. Finally, place a big cake on the table. Yay! We can ask Mom to come now. Happy birthday, Mom!
Thank you, sweetie. I love you.